Hi creative crafters. I just wanted to share the samples of crackle paste and alcohol ink that I was showing you. I turned the pieces into art pieces. I made 2 ATCs and I put a easel on this one, and I made an easel for this one, and I'll show you how I made that. And this one I created with a famous quote that says, "Come fairies, take me out of this dull world, for I would ride with you upon the wind and dance upon the mountains like a flame." And it's by William Butler Yeats. I don't have my glasses on, so I apologize. I'll have to take a look. But that has a back easel, but it says like die easel. And then I did update the Grow Live Your Life canvas, and I changed out the yellow curls to multicolor, and then if you look closely, this would be her ear. I added a little floral earring, and her face actually with the gloss that I set inside there flattened out, so it looks really nice. And I just have a purchased easel for that one. So I hacked the hidden paper clip, and how I did that is instead of using paper, I used cardboard, and instead of putting it on a book, I opened up the paper clip, and you're able to set it as like an easel. And then this one says, "Every little kindness makes the world brighter," and it has the backside that says, "Swim with passion in the sea of life." And so it's a double-sided. You can make it mixed media with your clay pieces, or you can just put paper on it. I have a jumbo one here, and that's using a jumbo paper clip. And I'm thinking of doing a Halloween theme on it, so it looks something like this this Tim Holtz embossing folder, and then maybe have this piece here on it. We'll have to see. Or maybe I won't do Halloween. But I give you tips on how to put one together, and you can have the clip showing, and you can cover it up here. This has been filled with cardboard pieces, so that now if I just want to put paper over it, or if I want to use paste on top of it, I can do that. I have an example of this one where I show you what this finished piece looks like before, and you can also put a hole here. I'll punch out a little hole where you can push the paper clip in. But if you forget to do that, you can always cover it up. And here I have it right here. This is what it looks like on this side. And then when I fill it up with cardboard, and I can put paste on here, and that will cover that sticking out. See, on this side I've already layered the cardboard, So it just needs the paste on top, and that will cover that right up. I also want to share with you that when you put this on chipboard instead of directly on a hard canvas like this one, you can add the chipboard to it like I've done with this one. And the nice thing about it is you just peel it back. Just peel it back. And now it's thin enough to add to a piece. Add it to the piece and create to your heart content. So I hope these tips help you, and yeah, hack into those paper clips and make some tabletop easels. Or if you have the canvas, you can go ahead and just attach it to it. Here I have same thing here, except that I've embossed it with I've embossed a paper and then attached it to the back. And here I've done the same thing with some decorative paper. I gave it a spritz of some oxide and gave a nicer look to the paper, and then attached it to the canvas so it can self-stand. So you can create directly onto your hidden paper clip canvas, or you can use it as a easel for your already pre-made canvas that you get in the store. So this is a tip I want to show you when you're gluing down your paper clip. If you get a jumbo sized clamp, take the edge right there and squeeze it down. Then use your hot glue gun and go on the inside. Then take your ice block, put it on top, let it cool. Now it's nice and flat. Then you can take the clamp off and do the other side, the other half of it. This freezer block will cool it down quick as well as flatten it. Now, rather than use paste, you can start piecing it together with some cardboard, and then start filling up the negative space so you don't have to use so much paste. And I already did this side as far as the glue down, so it's cool. And I do the same thing here and just piece the cardboard pieces onto the paper clip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this hack. So does Creative Corner. Thanking you. Hope you make a comment down below if you like what you see, and subscribe, ring that bell. And until the next one, stay crafty, be safe, God bless you. Bye for now.